The US Federal Reserve has announced that it will use XRP. This could be the most important news in the crypto world. A lot of people have made guesses about what part XRP plays in the financial system, but now we have real proof that it is connected to the largest bank in the US. This proof could mean a lot of different things for people who own XRP, but the biggest question is still, does this mean XRP is on its way to $10,000? The Federal Reserve is very important to the US economy. The government runs the banks and sets interest rates and the amount of money in circulation. It's not just a theory when a big company like this shows interest in a digital asset like XRP. This means that XRP is being thought about as a part of the financial system of the future. This shouldn't be a surprise since Ripple already has strong relationships with many of the world's biggest banks and payment providers. XRP's real-world use case is now more clear thanks to this new proof. For many years, Ripple has promoted XRP as a way to make quick and cheap payments across borders. XRP can settle transactions in seconds while standard banking methods take days and charge a lot of money. Because of this, it is a great tool for financial companies that want to work better. The Federal Reserve has been looking into ways to bring the banking system up to date, and adding XRP could be a big step in the right direction. So, what did the Federal Reserve really say? According to documents and news stories, XRP is being used as a liquidity option to help banks move money more quickly and cheaply. Ripple has already worked with big banks, and this new proof proves that XRP is more than just another cryptocurrency. It's really useful in the world of business. If the Federal Reserve is really adding XRP to its system, it could mean that a lot of people will soon be using it. XRP has never been just a digital exchange. XRP was made to solve real-world banking problems, while Bitcoin is mostly used as digital gold. The biggest problem with the global banking system is that transactions are slow and cost a lot of money. It can take several days for traditional banks to process payments because their methods are so old. This is where XRP comes in. XRP is a bridge currency that lets money be sent quickly and with very little costs. Banks don't have to wait for funds to clear through many middlemen when they use XRP to settle deals right away. Because of this, Ripple has teamed up with hundreds of banks, payment companies, and other financial institutions around the world. What XRP does isn't just an idea, it's being used right now. But why is it so important for the Federal Reserve to be involved? The Federal Reserve is in charge of the US banking system, so any asset it works with gets a lot of trust. It means that XRP is not only reliable, but also important for the future of banking if it is being thought of as a key part of the Federal Reserve's payment infrastructure. Since central banks are looking into digital currencies and blockchain solutions, XRP is a good choice to be a part of this change. The fact that XRP is efficient is another reason why it works with the world financial system. XRP is much faster and cheaper than SWIFT, which is currently used for foreign bank transfers. XRP transactions settle in seconds and don't cost much, while SWIFT transactions can take days and cost a lot. Because of this, XRP is a useful tool for banks that want to make their services better. But wide acceptance doesn't happen all at once. Many banking institutions already use XRP, but it might take a while for more central banks and governments to do the same. But as regulations become clearer and relationships grow, XRP's role as a key player in the global financial system gets stronger. Now that we know what part XRP plays in the world's financial system, the big question is whether or not XRP can really reach $10,000. To answer this, we need to look at how XRP works, how much people want it, and what could cause its price to be so high. First, let's talk about how much XRP is out there. There will only ever be 100 billion XRP coins, while there will only ever be 21 million Bitcoin coins. There would have to be hundreds of trillions of dollars worth of XRP on the market for each coin to ever be worth 10,000. Just to give you an idea, the value of all cryptocurrencies combined is just over 1 trillion right now. Also, the world economy is about $100 trillion. It's not impossible for XRP to go up a lot, but for it to hit $10,000, a huge number of people would have to start using it. The price, however, is not just based on supply, it is also based on desire. If banks and other financial institutions start using XRP as a standard for sending money across borders, demand could go through the roof. If more banks used XRP, there would be more money in circulation, which could make the price go up over time. The Federal Reserve has also confirmed that it will use XRP. This could make institutional investors think of it as a safe and valuable asset to keep. The price of XRP could also be affected by how clear the rules are. Going to court with the SEC has been one of the biggest problems for XRP. If Ripple wins the case or gets clear rules that support XRP, it could make it easier for more buyers and banks to use it. When big businesses became interested in Bitcoin, its price went through the roof. If the same thing happens with XRP, the price could go up by a huge amount. Things are hard though, because there is a lot of XRP available. Prices can't go too high or too low, and how widely it is used will depend on how many banks choose to use it in the long term. A price tag of $10,000 might not be possible in the short term, but there is still room for a lot of growth, especially if XRP becomes the main currency used in foreign banking. There's a lot of talk about what will happen with XRP in the future. What do financial experts and market analysts think? Can the price of XRP really go through the roof, or is this just another overblown prediction? Let's listen to what the pros have to say. A lot of analysts think that XRP has a lot of promise, but they all have very different ideas about how much it will cost. Some experts think that XRP could hit $10, $50, or even $100 if a lot of institutions start to use it. They say that if central banks and other financial institutions add XRP to their payment systems, more people will want to buy it, which will cause its price to go up. If XRP is used for real-time payments around the world, it will become more liquid, which will make it a useful asset for big financial deals. Others, on the other hand, are still not sure about the extreme price expectations. They say that XRP's market value would have to be higher than the world economy as a whole for it to hit $10,000. Even though XRP could grow a lot, it would need a level of usage in the crypto space that has never been seen before for the price to get that high. Some experts think that a more reasonable price range would be between $5 and $500, but this will depend on how widely XRP is used and how clear the rules are for it. The legal fight between XRP and the SEC is one of the main things that will affect its future price. There could be a lot of institutional investment in XRP if Ripple wins the case and XRP is legally labeled as a non-banks, hedge funds, and big financial firms may feel